have on some of this stuff. You will need a highlighter if you want to make sure that you capture all the stuff that I intend for you to guys pay attention to. First thing we're going to talk about is the word rational. Rational in mathematics, y'all, it just means it can be written as a fraction. That's it. So we're going to be finding answers that can also be written as fractions today. Remember, solutions mean the same thing as answers. All right, so if you notice, the more words here I'm reading, the degree of a function can help determine the possible number of solutions to a polynomial equation. Actually, the degree of the function is the number of solutions. Whatever the degree is, that's how many answers you have to come up with. So let's take a look at what's going on today for 8.1 notes. You got 3 things you're going to walk away with. First case scenario, I'm giving you a picture. You have to write the equation that matches the picture. If you look at the lower half of page 12, I'm giving you an equation. You have to solve for x. If you look at the back on page 13, on problem 6, I'm giving you the answers. You have to write the equation. So 3 separate things going on here. So back to the first example here, we're going to write the equation of that picture. And here's how we do it. We are going to list the zeros of this graph. Just read it from left to right, guys. The graph, the first thing it crosses is a -3. So x equals a -3. X equals a 0. X also equals a +2. The next question says to write the factors of the polynomial. Remember, they're just opposite. So if I have a -3 right here, the factor that matches that -3 is going to be x plus 3. What is the factor that matches 0?
X plus 0.
Yes. And what's x plus 0?
X.
Just x. Every time it goes through the origin, it's just x. And then, guys, remember for your 2, it's going to be x minus 2. And then, is this graph a reflection? I don't know. Look at the right side of the graph. Look at the arrow. Is the arrow pointing up or down? Then it's not a reflection. We're going to write now. So to write the equation in factored form, guys, we're just going to write those with a y equals in the front. However, y'all list the single x first and then write those. And it doesn't matter which order the parentheses come in. Just make sure you have your x first. That's how you write the equation.